pike. I thought it was a bass. So I set the hook and like my bait just disappeared. So I'm gonna switch to this now. Hopefully I can get him. Just like I didn't even set the hook hard, I just set the hook and the thing was gone. So I still can't believe there's no bass yet though. There's a bass right there. There's a bass. There's a big old largemouth just sitting right there. Come on, come back. Come back, please. Come back. Come back. Oh, shoot. There were literally bass everywhere, and I get the pike. Oh, there were bass everywhere, and I get the pike. Well, first fish of the day here. Pike on the Texas rigged Berkley Havoc Pit Boss. There's literally bass, like I can literally almost see bass here. Oh, I thought that was a bass. That's too bad. Pike though. Alrighty. Okay. Well, good to see a fish at least. Time to let her go. Decent little 2.5 probably. Oh, she was ready. Okay. Well, not a bad start, but I'd like to get a bass on the line since I've already seen two. I just got bit off by a pike again. That's literally the second time. Trying to fish for bass here. I guess I'll just fish for pike for a couple minutes and see if I can't get a couple more. Got one. Oh, it's a pike, it's a pike. It's a northern. Oh, it's not a bad one. Oh, that's not a bad pike. That might be a 5-pounder or a 4, or even better. Like that's a good fish. Just cast it. Like I got bit off from the pit boss, and then I lost that fish, and I came back with the jerk bait here. Don't have a net, so I'm gonna have to grab this guy. Just be careful. Oh, he's not as big as he looked at first, but he's definitely a nice fish. Oh, this is gonna be difficult. Don't want to get my wrist full of treble hooks here. Shoot. There we go. So about a 5-pounder, gonna release her. Alright, so that fish is gone. Let's get another one. Hopefully a bass this time. It's a bass. It's a bass. It's a largie. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. It's a largemouth. I honestly think I'm gonna net him just to be safe here. It's a largemouth. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's hooked all right on the pit boss. Texas rigged. nice largie. That's the first open water largemouth I caught this year. Like, I've caught 3 ice fishing. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Nice pre-spawn fish. Beautiful largemouth. Wow, that's amazing. Just pop the hook right out there. Gonna get this fish back in the water quick, because this fish is gonna have some important stuff to do. Perfect. Yes. So I'm rigging this bait here. I have a worm hook, and I have my Berkley Havoc Pit Boss just rigged on here like this. And then I have a bullet weight on it on the top, so it's a Texas rig. And it seems to be working pretty well today. I've caught 3 out of my 4 fish on it, including one of the pike, so obviously the fish are liking it. Well, my Gopro, for some reason, stopped recording halfway through when I was landing this fish. So, nice largemouth. Oh yeah, probably about a 2-pounder. Again on the Havoc Pit Boss. Just popped right out. Another beautiful pre-spawn fish. Oh, there's a school of them. Oh, there's a school of them. There's a school of them. Oh god, one just hit. And this. No. Oh, there's a school of them. Are you kidding me? Come on. One of you. Come back. Please. One of you, come back. I got one. There we go. 4th bass of the day. There was a school of them. Like, there were probably 10, 15 fish in that school, and I can see the other ones right there. Another beautiful fish. This looks like a female. Okay, there's literally like 15 more of these. Not huge, but look at that belly. Getting ready to spawn. Get this pike. Oh, he hit. Oh, it's a pike, yeah. That's the one I saw. That's the one I saw. There's a school bass, and this pike comes along. Misses my creature bait, and then comes and attacks the jerk bait. Probably another, like, somewhere between 3 and 5 inches. Yeah. Wow. I'm gonna be able to grab him here. Yeah, there he is. Nice pike. Another beautiful fish. This lake is insane today. Just like the amount of fish there are here right now. It's just, and it's like, wow. Okay, I'm gonna need the pliers. There we go. She's unhooked. She's ready to go back in the water. I'd say, I don't know, that's a nice fish. We'll let her go now. Perfect. First cast at this new spot. What is it? Oh, it's a pike. It's a pike, isn't it? Oh, is it a pike or a bass? It's hard to tell from here. Oh, she's swimming towards me. Oh, what is it? It feels like a pike. But what is it? Oh, it's a bass. It's a nice bass. It's a bass. Nice. Nice, it's a bass. That's what we want to see. Nice fish. First cast. Just got back to this spot here. Fat little guy. There you go. Another chunky one. Solid fish. Nice. Yup. So we'll release this guy again. He's probably a 2.5 maybe. There he goes, back into the depths. They're still not very shallow yet. They're still pre-spawn, so they're just waiting for the water to warm up a bit to make their beds. Got one. Oh, it's a bass. Oh. Whoa, that was unexpected. I just flipped it up under that tree there. Oh, this guy's fighting way harder, but he's not as big. This is about a 1 pounder, 1.5 maybe. I can probably just flip him right in here. Oh, there we go. Alright, decent. Probably 1.5. Nice fish. Hey, she smashed it. She jumped. That shows that these fish are getting more active for sure. Nice little chunky fish. That's 2 pike and 2 bass for me now so far. I'm past a little largemouth. Just gonna pop that hook right out. Put her back in the water. And off she goes. That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh. Fish on. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a bass. Bass again. Itchy. It's a nice bass. Well, all of them are nice, but this one's, yeah, slightly bigger. This guy might be like a 3 pounder. There we go. Nice. Oh, that's definitely that's a 3. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pop the hook out. Oh, barely hooked. That's like a 3. Gonna release this beautiful. I think it's a female. It's pretty fat. Here she goes. Awesome. I'm gonna stay here for a little bit longer, then I'm gonna go home because I've caught a good amount of fish today. Okay, so I'm done fishing now. Pretty good day actually. Like, finally got to catch some largemouth. Haven't caught any largemouth this year other than today, except for ice fishing. Like, they're finally out. Like, it's about 3 weeks later than I normally see them, but they're pre-spawn, and some of them, like, there's a big school of them. The bigger ones seem to be by themselves, but the smaller ones seem to be in groups. And there's a lot of pike here. Like, there's more pike than last year. Like, I saw at least 4 pike today, and you wouldn't normally see that many. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll leave all the gear used below for, like, filming stuff and bait and all that. I'll leave it all below. Thanks for watching. Oh, and there's a giveaway coming up soon. 100 subscribers. Make sure you subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.